Moving day, guys. I guess this is it. Well, these are the same size. Alright, let's load her up. Try to organize it and stack them up on top of each other. Okay, let's get these off the truck. Let's shut the truck off. Little by little, two at a time, I'll move them all over here. Gotta get a new wheel for my dolly. The bearings are gone. That's from me slamming it on the ground. So far, it's a beautiful day, guys. Saturday morning. Saturday mornings. Okay, let's get these off here. Polish them up a bit and put them in storage.
What you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed.
Alright, I'm going to stack them like that to get more in here, right? Get 3, 6, 7, 9, 10, you get way more in here. So that's how we're going to stack them up. Right, the other two, I didn't know I had a gas dryer. Yeah, gas dryer. Someone asked me for a gas dryer. I said, I don't have one. One right there. Man, see? I lose track what I have. Okay, let's get these off the truck. Alright, 4 more left. So, 1, 2, 3. Make another roll there. I still have to leave room in the middle to take them out. I don't know if this is a good way or not. Alright, let's get these ones off. What else can happen? My God, the truck won't stay running. Oh my God, come on. Don't do this to me. Oh, there she goes. I don't know, she's losing power. Idle drops down and then she stalls. Well, you can't hear the motor even running sometimes. I don't know what's going on here. Engine light keeps flashing. Maybe my battery's got a loose connection. Because my engine light flash comes on and goes off. I think it's my battery. I don't know, does the car need a battery? Whoa. Jesus Christ. To keep running? I don't know. If that's the case, my terminals are loose. I'll have to fix them. There's those side terminals. I think it's stripped and pain in the ass, so I gotta put something in it. Oh, she stalls. Like it just dropped. And she just shuts off. I'll leave it running for now. Alright, the next two. Oh, it's getting warm out, guys. It's a beautiful day. So many dryers. I definitely don't need no more dryers. At least they're light, not heavy. So I got 2 more left there. So I think I'll manage. Take these 2 off here. Put them there. Lots of dryers. Good morning, YouTubers. It is Sunday. Beautiful day. Got this fridge yesterday, my buddy. $60. Gotta put it all together. Comes in a bunch of dust. So we're gonna put this together after we get all this shit out of the bottom. Needs a good cleaning. Oh my God, should have brought my broom. Yeah, double door fridge, working condition. So took it apart, I guess I couldn't take it out of the house. But yeah, I'll have to put it all together now. Got all the doors here for it. Get her going. Today's Sunday. This will sell today quick. Guess I'm gonna come in for another fridge, so I gotta get this together right now. Alright, it's coming together, guys. That's your nice fridge. Gotta clean it up. Yeah, there's your freezer. There you go, guys. It is a nice fridge. I must keep that for myself. It wouldn't fit in my unit. Alright, we got the drawers, the bottom plate, and then clean it up a bit. Fix this. Take all the dirt out. Fiber is the best thing to use. Picks up all the dirt easy. Fiber rags, for sure. We'll clean it after. The only problem, I'm missing one little screw here for the ground. These two have to be connected together and grounded on the plate. I see the screw here, but it looks like they broke it. That looks like it's been snapped off. Well, I'm glad I got all the parts anyways. Usually I don't get any parts. We got the plate, got the water line hooked up. Almost done, guys. Uh-oh. I did something wrong here. I did something wrong. When I open it, it's like a... Hear it? Something's wrong. Something is wrong. Did I miss a washer? Did they lose a washer? Something. Oh, I think it's like that because it locks in, right? I don't know if you guys can see it. It's locking in there. I think it's like that. Okay. Let's continue here. This is my last day here. I gotta get everything out of this locker. Assemble it first and move it. Alright, here we have a 1985 Kenmore double door fridge. Ice maker. Alright, she's ready to go. Oh, I forgot to get a Brillo pad. I just cleaned that a bit. Just sand that down a bit. But she's all connected. Good. The back is good, ready to go. It's already listed. I put 600 on it. See what I get. I'll take 5. Nice condition. What is that? More dirt? Yeah, 600 bucks. Working condition. Nice fridge. Hopefully it all works like Buddy says. Because he just connected it from the lady's house. It was still plugged in. It was all working. I hope the ice cubes work too. But yeah, she's ready to go. Nice fridge. And this thing here. So I gotta sell these now, or if I don't sell them today, I gotta move them over to my other storage, my new storage. And sweep up around here, and we're good to go. Breaker 19. Alright guys, stay tuned. And this is how we clean plastic that looks like that. So you just spray it, a little bit of vinegar. Just like that. Get your green fiber cloth. Just shoot it up like that. Hopefully it works. Well, not really. I'm gonna probably need WD-40 here. Oh, let me scrub it with 2 hands. Okay. Someone's coming for that, but nobody for the fridge, so I gotta move this fridge all the way from the front of the gate all the way back to the last row. I wonder if this dolly can manage it. It's gonna be a task. Maybe I'll go this way. Take my time, but I gotta move it because I gotta get this unit up by tonight. We'll see what happens. Someone's coming for that, but nobody for the fridge, so I gotta move this fridge all the way from the front of the gate all the way back to the last row. I wonder if this dolly can manage it. It's gonna be a task. Maybe I'll go this way. Take my time, but I gotta move it because I gotta get this unit up by tonight. We'll see what happens. Yeah, he wasn't lying. She works. Every time I record these lights here, they're not flashing, but when I use my video camera, they flash. Weird, huh? Door is locked, she's working. Fast spinning machine. Wow, she's really spinning now. Wow, that is fast. We take.
For minimum wage,
Oh.
I wouldn't want to touch this chain.
We take doggy. Come get me. Come get me. Oh.
Just put it down, I'll clean it, I'll take your products.
101 Dalmatians running. Oh, here she comes.
Like, we need over to spit on her, and they spit on our front doors. And
Oh, you're so cute. So cute.
with those people, you can't do anything.
Oh, cutie. Cutie.
They come in with
A cutie.
Where employees have been assaulted.
Okay.